Thank you for buying this 9-volt battery cable from Fixture Displays. You can find this item on fixturedisplays.com by searching 10039-cable. This is a standard 9-volt battery connector that comes with a male and female port and 2 wires. The wire length is just about 15 centimeters or a little shy of 6 inches. Comes in positive and negative. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. CS, that's Charlie Sam, at fixturedisplays.com. This would be a great connector piece for your power source to your circuitry for any DIY project. If you like our product, please consider leave a good review. Thank you for shopping Fixture Displays.